Okay, I'm on version 8 of my spectrum analyzer software, and a couple of things I've learned and a couple of things I did to make it a better thing. I'm just going to stop it here. So I added a ton of emojis, number one. So instead of writing, there's a bunch of emojis, but unfortunately they don't work in DOS, so who cares about that? First things first is it automatically scans for an instrument. So it found an instrument, uses that. When you run it, it asks you for a name of the scan and puts all the scans in a folder with that name. It sends a restart command, that does that. Set the bandwidth, set the data. So the data does, I called this one long settle when I launched it. And then I wanted an effective RBW of 20 megahertz or 10 kilohertz is what I wanted. So every 20 kilohertz. So the span is 20 megahertz for each one of these. And I was having issues where it would, what would it do? It would indeed, not give me the right starting point. Like it would freak out and kind of give you like a weird. So when I run this now, so I give it a name, blah blah. What it does is it quickly tunes to one. You probably missed it there, but it quickly tunes to 1 kilohertz between each band. Like each frequency sweep, so it tunes it to 1 kilohertz, and then it kind of freezes. So the default is 5 seconds settling time. So now the progress bar updates. Scan 1 of 15, and so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very simple. I gotta say, like, emojis are very effective graphic communication. Done. Progress bar, span, ba boom, ba boom. So I've passed my 1,000-line code limit, but I want to make this a single file program for my colleague. But there's error, instrument connection closed, like attempting to close instrument, and there's a band-aid. So again, it's successful. Please retry installing. Blah blah blah. Unexpected error. Thumbs down all over the place. Again, chats are great for that kind of thing. So here it's doing the scan. It's got a blah, blah, blah name because when I named it, it says, please enter a name for the scan. But you can run it with arguments. Like all my software has arguments. All my engineering plans have arguments. And here you can put arguments for... again, the name of the scan, the start, the end, the RBW, the hold time, the wait time. Do you want the government overlays to be laid in? Got all that working. You can select a band and you can say, okay, well, here to here, this is TV channel 27 and this is TV channel 27. And every time you put your marker over something, it tells you what it is. And anyway, and then also displays the name of the scan. So if you put the scan name up front, that's what it gets you. So still, it'll never be finished. Never.